Welcome to Alvinsa's studio. Today we take you to the heart of Texas Hill Country, where modern design meets rustic charm in Blue Sage No. 4, the half-arch hideaway. Suspended among the trees, this architectural gem offers a perfect escape, blending elegance, comfort, and the serenity of the great outdoors. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a one-of-a-kind getaway, this hideaway redefines treehouse living in the most spectacular way. Get ready to explore every unique detail of Blue Sage No. 4, the half-arch hideaway, only on Alvinsa's studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more breathtaking architectural inspirations. Blue Sage No. 4 is an architectural playground with gorgeous views and lots of privacy. A series of steps and boardwalks lead to the cedar-clad entrance. Inside, the ceiling arcs up to a wall of windows overlooking the Texas hills. It has a well-appointed kitchen and dining space. Also on the main level is the huge vaulted bedroom with a king bed and ample floor space for yoga in the morning light. The impressive bathroom has a flush toilet, vanity sink, heated tile floors, and a large walk-in rain shower with a floor-to-ceiling window. Up the stairs from the main level is a loft with a twin-size daybed and epic views of the hills. The loft opens to a private rooftop balcony with a soak tub under twinkle lights. Efficiency kitchen with fridge and freezer gas cooktop, microwave toaster, Keurig and French press water kettle, as well as all essential pots, pans, utensils, and dishes. Locally roasted coffee grounds as well as Keurig pods, cream sugar and tea bags are provided. Salt, pepper, oil, and some other basics can be found in the kitchen as well. On-site, there are also community propane grills with grill tools provided. Blue Sage is located just 10 minutes north of Fredericksburg, Texas on famously beautiful Ranch Road 965 and just 10 minutes south of Enchanted Rock State Park. Blue Sage No. 4 is a short walk from the parking area, about 200 feet through the native trees along a well-lit path and a boardwalk with steps. King bedroom and bathroom are on the same level. Blue Sage No. 4 is more than just a treehouse. It's an escape, a retreat where modern design and nature exist in perfect harmony. From its unique half-arch architecture to its warm and inviting spaces, this hideaway offers a one-of-a-kind experience for those seeking peace and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more incredible architectural discoveries. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring extraordinary spaces.